This little app is pulling in over $70,000 every single month. Most people think you need to be a genius coder or drop six figures on developers to do something like this. But the truth is, AI has completely flipped that script. You can now build apps like this with zero code. Now, let's be real. This isn't about some overnight get-rich scheme. What I'm breaking down is the process, how apps like this are being cloned and launched with AI tools. You'll see exactly how the tech works, and more importantly, how the money is made. That's the part that most people miss. The app we're looking at is just a nutrition tracker. Nothing crazy. Snap a pic of your food, and it logs your calories and macros. Simple problem, simple solution. And that is why it works. Apps like this are pulling in serious money because they solve a problem that people deal with daily. Here's what's changed. You don't need a team of developers anymore. AI-powered no-code tools like Bubble or Rocket let you drag, drop, or literally just type what you want, and the app builds itself. For the brain, you can plug into something like Google Gemini to analyze photos and return nutrition info. And for payments, you connect Stripe in just a few clicks. That is your business engine right there. Traditionally, this would take months and cost six figures. Now, you can go from a blank screen to a fully working app in a weekend. You prompt the AI, it generates the layout, you connect Gemini, and Stripe handles your subscriptions. What used to be a massive barrier is now wide open. Here is where the money comes in. The model these apps use is simple. Give away the basics for free, then lock premium features like AI scanning behind a subscription. Even charging just $5 a month? 1,000 users puts $5,000 in your pocket. And remember, this isn't just about one app. Once you understand the playbook, you can use it for fitness, finance, productivity, education, any space where people need quick solutions. The real game isn't cloning, it's improving. Use AI to launch faster, then listen to your users and add features the big companies are too slow to roll out. That is how you go from copycat to competitor. So if you've been wondering how to make money with AI, this is it. The walls around building apps are gone. You don't need to code, and you don't need $100,000 in cash. You just need the right tools and the right idea. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. Also, subscribe if you would like more strategies like this, because we're breaking down the real ways AI is helping people create income streams online.